my pleasure to now introduce Greg Simpson, founder and CSO of Think Now. Greg has earned a PhD from UC Berkeley and is a cognitive neuroscientist involved in leading-edge brain research, the development of novel neuroscience-based tools for training the brain mind, and creation of companies to translate these inventions into real-world products and benefits. Think Now is pioneering drug-free therapeutic options for adult ADHD to address the 1.1 billion adults that struggle with ADHD and attention impairments. They produce software tools for cognitive enhancement and well-being based on inventions related to the control of attention, self-awareness, and mental fitness through better attention skills. Please join me in welcoming Greg to tell us more about Think Now.
Thanks for coming. I'm Greg Simpson, founder of Think Now, and I want to thank CONNECTpreneur for this opportunity. We're raising our 2.5 million safe raise. We only have 1 million left to go. There's a huge underserved market. More than 1 billion adults around the world really struggle with ADHD-type attention impairments. Drugs are the only therapeutics, and only 13% of adults actually take the drugs because they're expensive, they don't work for most people, and they have negative side effects. That leaves 87% of people needing a solution. To solve this problem, we built Attentio. We integrated neuroscience, learning science, and digital technology into a completely new type of therapeutic method in an app. Attentio provides 2 solutions: quick relief for a calm, focused mind in 4 minutes, and modules for building awareness and attention control skills that improve performance in everyday life. And these skills need to be maintained with the app throughout the user's life. We will create a completely unique database on attention and ADHD, and this will enable us to use AI to provide personalized therapeutics and coaching in the app. It will also serve as a basis for constantly updating our therapeutics with knowledge that no other company will have. Our large clinical trial demonstrated that improving attention control skills translates to substantial improvements in important real-life functioning. People improved their reading comprehension scores up to 50 percentile points. That's huge. Imagine going from a below average 40th percentile to the 90th percentile in 3.5 weeks. Also, an uncommonly large percentage of people had improvements in areas of daily life functioning that are critical to ADHD, like paying attention and staying on task. I'm proud to share that after 10 years of R&D funded by $7.2 million in NIH funds through 5 successive grants, 4 patents, we've invented a groundbreaking therapeutic that is clinically proven. Fundamentally, there are just 2 main categories within the competitive landscape: symptom relief and coping tools. For 50 years, drugs have been the only therapeutic for attention dysfunction relief, and 87% of adults don't use them. All other products are coping tools. They're workarounds such as organizational tools that don't actually improve attention dysfunction. Even therapists don't have therapeutics to improve attention dysfunction. They help people cope with the anxiety caused by ADHD or build strategies for how to cope with executive function issues. Now there's Attentio, a new therapeutic that improves attention dysfunction, costs much less than medication, and has no side effects. We will earn revenues through SaaS subscriptions. They're not prescription-based and do not involve insurance payers. We will sell through direct-to-consumers and through partnerships, for which we've identified at least 7 potential channels. Following our initial launch in 2025, we will raise a Series A round to expand in the domestic market and establish a recurring revenue base. We should reach profitability within 3 years and use Series B for scaling our growth and expanding into international markets, exceeding 100 million in revenues within 5 years. We have an outstanding team of serial entrepreneurs and neuroscientists. We've worked together for many years, and collectively our deep experience includes 8 exits, including 4 IPOs, and we've raised over 400 million from investors. We're building on the 7.2 million of NIH non-dilutive funding, and there's only 1 million left of the 2.5, and we're looking to close it out in 30 days. Join us to alleviate the suffering of ADHD. Come see me in the break room and schedule a time on my Calendly. Thank you.